Imagine this. It's 2025. The new EAA accessibility standards are in full swing, and your WordPress site could be breaking the rules without you even knowing it. That means fines, lawsuits, or losing valuable customers who can't navigate your website properly. So here is the question every smart business owner is asking right now. Asterisk, asterisk. How can I make my WordPress website 100% accessibility compliant before the deadline without hiring an expensive agency? Today, I'm breaking it down into easy, actionable steps, asterisk, asterisk, anyone can follow, even if you're not a coding expert. And the best part, ILL, show you how to use free AI-powered tools to speed up the process and catch issues you might miss manually. First, run an accessibility audit. Tools like WCAG, DevTools can scan your entire WordPress site and highlight exactly where you're refailing. Compliance? Broken ARIA labels, missing alt text, poor color contrasts, or inaccessible menus. Next, fix your color contrast with Cooler's Contrast, Checker, or Accessible Colors. This is crucial for people with low vision. You don't need a designer. These tools literally tell you the perfect compliant color codes. Third, make your images screen reader friendly. AI tools like Microsoft Seeing AI can generate natural descriptive alt text so people using screen readers actually know what's on your page. Fourth, ensure your forms are accessible. Free plugins like Contact Form 7, Accessibility automatically add missing labels, focus indicators, and error messages that meet WCAG 2.1 standards. Finally, test your site with a keyboard only. If you can't navigate your entire site without a mouse, neither can your visitors who rely on keyboard navigation. And here's the smart tip most people miss. Once you've fixed everything, rescan and generate a compliance report. This is gold. It's proof you've done the work, and you can show it to clients, investors, or regulators if needed. If you want my done for you accessibility optimization service, just mention me in the comments and I'll get back to you. And if you learned something new today, hit subscribe, tap the like button, and share this video so more website owners can avoid penalties in 2025. Because here's the truth. In 2025, accessibility isn't optional. It's the law. It's good for your business. And it's the right thing to do. Don't wait until the deadline catches you. Start today and make your WordPress site a place where everyone can feel welcome.